Good Sunday evening to you, St. Louis. What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Witt. I'll be taking care of you this evening for your weather update needs. So first of all, I know you guys have been seeing a lot of wintry precipitation lately, especially since that last storm that brought so many school closings to the area. Friday night was friggin' treacherous for anyone who was driving out there. Friday morning especially was icy as well. That's why all the school closings called off. So I nailed it with the school closings. Anyway, that's not the same circumstance tonight, but we do have some winter precipitation coming tonight that we will let you know about as soon as we get there. So first of all, current temps right now. Current temps 25 in St. Charles, 25 in Coquille, 25 in Belleville, 27 down in Sparta, and current temperature in St. Louis is 26 degrees with a southwest wind approaching at exactly 6 miles per hour. So we have a little bit of a I want to say disturbance, not a storm system. The storm system mainly stays north, but this is part 2 of our winter storm that we're not going to see. So first of all, right now we're going to go to the radar. Now the radar shows up north, you can see like this ridge of low pressure going on here. Now the ridge is not going towards us. So basically all the snow you see that's going to push this way, this will not affect us one bit. To the north, that's going to stay to the north. Now, as you guys can see here, this is the part we're kind of focused on right now. This little ridge here in St. Louis that kind of grabs your attention right in that little band here. See how we're getting like pockets of freezing drizzle and snow today? Now the snow, we got about an inch or so of snow additional accumulation yesterday night due to the fact that we had a little bit of a disturbance convective band going on. And when there's warm air advection in the atmosphere, when the warm front comes in, that's the ingredient for some heavy snowfall and pockets of heavy snow. So we had a little bit of trouble there. Now, that's not going to be the circumstance tonight. Tonight, most precipitation ends by 2 a.m. But, now there's a slight but. We are in some kind of predicament here tonight as that disturbance rolls to the north. We are going to see pockets of freezing drizzle and very light freezing mist. Now, we've mainly seen freezing mist all day. Now, the roads, just because they're basically covered in salt and all that green crud, they are most likely, the main roads are going to stay fine, maybe some slick spots, but watch out when you head out for the morning rush hour because there might be some slick spots on untreated surfaces and roadways and back roads as well. So we'll keep you updated on that. Not a big deal, but it's something we're going to watch overnight. Now, just because of this freezing rain threat, the National Weather Service has put us into a winter weather advisory. Now, this winter weather advisory is going to extend until up around 12 o'clock tonight for any freezing drizzle. So first of all, here's our setup currently for right now. As you guys can see, this is tonight's weather setup. Now this was this morning. Now there's a warm front right here with the low pressure system, the warm front coming in. Now watch what happens when that warm front slides through. So we watch this warm front slide through the area. Now as it slides through the area, that's the recipe when there's warm air in the layer of the atmosphere that cannot produce snow, although the layer of the ground is frozen temperature. So let's say today was the only high was about 25 degrees. We had freezing rain. Now, some people are thinking, well, how can it rain be liquid when it's falling down through the atmosphere and it's below freezing here? That's because there's a warm front that just rolled in, like you just saw, that brings the warm air temperatures throughout the atmosphere. So it'll fall liquid, but since it's cold down here, it'll freeze solid, and that's the ingredient for freezing rain. So as that setup goes by, there's a slight chance in this area I've highlighted here from St. Louis all the way west down to Rolla, Lebanon, Springfield in Illinois, Lake of the Ozarks. That area right here in the pink I've circled right here, that's the spot where you'll see some spotty freezing drizzle. Very light, not a big deal, but just to let you guys know and inform when you're heading in the morning to go to school or whatever, this is the situation we're going to be in. Now, most precipitation is going to end by around 2 o'clock tonight, but there could be some spots of freezing drizzle every now and then. So basically, like I said, right now we're in a winter weather advisory that extends until up around midnight for about places like Washington, Rolla, Osage Beach, St. Louis County, Jefferson County, Monroe County, Lincoln County, all of those counties that I've highlighted there. Those are the recipes for some severe storms. So those are the recipes for a winter weather advisory. So that's basically about it for the winter advisory. Not a big deal, but it's something that we just needed to watch for. Now, up in the north, this is not us, but as you guys can see, the pink right here, that is a freezing rain advisory. They have more heavy stuff up there, but we don't have to worry about that right now. So first of all, let's go into our night's forecast. Tonight, patchy freezing drizzle before 2 a.m. Watch for slick spots in the morning. Low around 12 degrees. Tomorrow's forecast is mostly sunny skies. Very cold for this time of year. Highs of only around 25 degrees or 27. If we get lucky. Now here's our 7-day forecast for you guys. Basically, it's going to be a really wintry feel up until about Sunday next week. Now we get a little basically get a little bit warm up, but other than that, not that much. As you guys can see here, Monday's high is 27 and low of 17. With Sunday's guys, Tuesday there might be a little bit of a clipper system Monday night to Tuesday. We're going to watch that for you. It could bring an additional 1 inch of snow to St. Louis. That's our current thinking right now. But Tuesday's high is 33 degrees with a 30% chance of snow showers, and we'll definitely keep track on that. Wednesday we're looking good. Thursday we're looking good. Highs around 30 Wednesday and Thursday with sunny skies. No precipitation working out. Then comes Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's our next storm system that we're kind of thinking about right now. So I let it be in that kind of chance category. So Friday and Saturday and Sunday, there's all a 40% chance of a mix of snow and sleet and freezing rain all of those days. Now, as you guys can see, we're just a tick below or above freezing those days. But I think since there's a lot of cold air in that atmosphere, we're going to stay primarily frozen precipitation. Now, the models have been kind of bouncing on that. So we're going to keep you updated, but right now we're going to keep the chance of some light snow and maybe some light sleet in there as well Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That could accumulate to some stuff, but that is way too far out for us right now. So if you guys enjoyed, if you have any questions, let me know. And Facebook at Matt. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow on Matt Weather 1.